This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Why are my charts like that? Let's take a look at what we see. The next trade I'm going to stock is going to be a short trade, even though we're trading, I can see we're trading above the previous day's high. That's what that is over there. Let's get acclimated to what the markets are doing, have done. Good morning, Miss K. Let's start with, why is an MES up? Do I even want an MES? I think this is an accident. This is definitely an accident. This shouldn't be MES. This should be MNQ. MNQ. Rollover, eh, guys? Do not forget. We don't need this level. This level was marked off from yesterday. That was the 80% trade. I'm going to check, see if it got hit. I don't think it did, though. Or maybe it did. We're going to take a look. Okay, well, the daily, we dipped below the 50-period moving average. Interesting. Let's see what happens. Right now we have a bullish candle, and we have a hammer, shooting star. I don't know what these patterns are. You guys know what they are, but that's a pretty bullish candlestick over there for you candlestick pattern guys. So yesterday, the theory was, no, we did not come back below. Traded below, we traded above. We said there's an 80% chance we come below, and did not happen. Okay. Today, we only traded above, so it's irrelevant. Yeah, well, that's the thing I tell you guys about 80%, eh? 80% means 20% of the time it's not going to happen. Doesn't mean it's a certain thing. Wow, look how we rolled over, eh? What are some of the levels we can see resistance at? Boy, they're like super, they're zones, they're large. But I would say somewhere around here, the 670, that's about 200 points above. But, we sold off pretty aggressively over there. Right there. We also have a nice, large, open, unfilled fair value gap over here. And as I said, I look for resistance, our areas that we sold off from. I don't like using previous support, but there is previous support at this level. But I don't like previous support. I like to see where the sellers came in. For me, that's resistance. And the sellers came in pretty aggressively over here and pretty aggressively over here. And those are close. Those are pretty damn close. No, not too close to each other, eh? 681, 100 points away. But so this is the main one right now. With the fair value gap and the aggressive selling. That's the main one for me right now. Looking left. Looking left, that's the main one. Let's get our levels. Let's get our annotations marked up on the chart. Boom. There we go. We are only taking out swing highs. The swing highs have been growing and getting higher. Swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high. There's 5 of them. Higher swing highs, higher swing lows. This is going to be a swing low when this closes, but it's going to be higher than this, so we keep getting higher lows. We are in a defined uptrend on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute. On the 1 minute, if you remember what I keep bringing up, The pre-market range marked off by blue. It's not fully defined yet, but this will probably be the low. So let's see if we take that out, and then maybe we can find a reversal pattern. For a reversal pattern, you want to be on the right side of the V. This is kind of the right side of the V. Draw a line down here. You want to be on the right side. How do you define it? Well, as a minimum, look for a swing high to be taken out. And then look for, once we have a swing high taken out, so here's the first swing high, there's a swing high, we took it out. Then we want to look for a swing low being taken out. And a reversal pattern. A reversal pattern can be a change of character. Change the state of delivery, or a bullish fair value gap filled. So if you were looking to buy, here's your break. There is your swing low that was taken out after we've defined that we're going back up because we're breaking swing highs. So this is a temporary. We don't want to see it take out this low. Then we want a bearish fair value gap filled. There's your bearish fair value gap, or change in state of delivery would be a close above this. So either way, this candle sent you long. And there's your trade. Beautiful trade. ERB, good morning all. Good morning, good morning. So, don't need that, don't need that. Let's get that up. Okay, so, wow. Strong move up. Sparky, stop it. Strong move up. Now strong move down. Check my emails. Hey, anybody know what that's crazy. Nice color. Anybody know what the current Apex deal is? Let's go take a look. I'm curious. I just looked at one company, and their deal is not as good as the deal they had, which I find weird. Really? They're going to go into the end of the year with a weaker deal? That's funny. A bunch of cucumbers around a cat. That's always hilarious. Who doesn't love the cat cucumber videos? They always get so scared. I guess they think it's a snake. Okay, I digress. Hold on. Should go into my email. Do they have anything up on their page? 80% off evals. That's all they have written. And their big banner is gone. Really? So everyone's going to close out the year? Christmas, New Year's, all that with shittier specials? Except for Bullinox sticking with their 91% off. Wow, I thought they would go out with a bang. I mean, they were pretty much given Aha. Oh, $25 resets at Apex. That's pretty cheap. That's a $25 account. That's funny. Yeah, no, that's no good. So what do we got? We still have Apex lifetime PA fee $65, 80% off the first month. Resets $25. I don't see any other update. Oh, there's the update. Hi. Resets $25. That's pretty good, actually. It's like getting the account for 25 bucks if you blow it. And if you're trying to aggressively pass it, 80% off evaluations. All evaluations now, $39. $39 with $65 activation. Okay, gonna have to remember that. No consistency, one day to pass. What other good news is there? Sparky, stop doing that. The other good news, I have a free pizza waiting for me at Domino's. It's true. Your free pizza is waiting. I have Domino's points. Okay, cool. When are we going to get to use those? Bullinox. We don't need to look at Bullinox. Bullinox is 91% off. Earn to trade. 60% off, I think, for $76 or $67. I never remember the price. 67. That's because that's in my head. Let's go take a look at Earn to Trade. The trader career path. Start now. Okay, so what? For $76, you get an account that you can grow to 400,000. I don't think people are catching the impact of that. Really, I really don't. Because not a lot of people are clicking. That's crazy. That's crazy that people aren't realizing that you can go from 50,000. Let me see what it is here. Oh yeah, I remember where it is. What happens? Did they change the graphic? Oh no, there it is. That you go from 50,000 evaluation, you pass it, you go to 50,000 live sim like everywhere else. But when you reach your profit target, they pay you out. Other places, when you reach your profit target, that's pretty much your safety threshold. You can't dip into it. That's like a foundation you've built that you can't touch. Here they pay you out. And then you go to a $100,000 account with a larger drawdown of 3,500. If you reach your safety threshold with another firm, you only have 2,500. Here now you have 3,500 and you're a $100,000 account. And if you pass that, you go to a $200,000 account and they pay you out. Now you have a drawdown of 6,000. And then you go to a $400,000 account. It's crazy. Really it is. Really it is. People aren't getting the fact that they pay you out and that you keep getting to a larger and larger account. Well, who else we got? While we're waiting for the markets to open. Taurus Arena. What does Taurus Arena got going? Taurus Arena. Where are you? I have a pretty good deal. I think it's $49 for 3 accounts. Yep, 3 prime accounts, $49. So you can get 3 50K accounts or 3 100K accounts for $49. 3 for $49. Okay, well, those are the deals now for Christmas. Omnius Trades giveaway. Sorry, Omnius, didn't see you. Nightbot. Nightbot's pretty active. ERB. Miss K. Miss K. Miss K. Miss K. Been missing the evening with you, sir. That's okay. I've been missing the evenings with you, too. I haven't been doing the evenings. I've been busy. I have a lot of work to do, so. Oh, I just heard 2 things. 1, I think Omnius just joined us. 2, we just got a trigger somewhere.
It's not Omnius, it's Omnius lookalike.
Omnius lookalike, eh?
You heard about the clones?
No.
Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff.
Crazy stuff. I was thinking about crazy stuff. Listen to this. Maybe I even talked about it yesterday online, on stream, whatever. AI. I'm seeing AI doing things that's pretty damn incredible now. They're already mimicking people, you know? It's like almost getting AI, you know, for me to do a video, but you see my whole body, my everything talking properly, you know? I don't know. Am I
kind of always thought you were AI.
No, but am I explaining it right? You get what I'm saying? You know, like you see someone, let's say like Joe Rogan, but you see his whole body and he's moving and he's talking, but it's AI. That's not Joe Rogan I've seen it with. I've seen some other guy. They're using him. I don't want to mention his name, just in case I'm potentially wrong, but I don't think so, because they got him saying things he wouldn't normally say. And I'm saying, oh my God. And then combine that with the bots creating all these videos with just stories that they make up. Like we have a store here called Canadian Tire. All Canadian Tire stores in Canada are closing. I go, oh my God, because that's huge news. And then like half a day later, all Walmart stores in Canada are closing. I go, oh my God, these are fake videos. Mm-hmm. I said, wow, in 10 years, the internet is dead. It's just going to be like spam. It's going to be completely filled with AI stuff that's so good that you can't tell what's true and what's not true anymore.
Have you seen a lot of the commercials now are AI? It's like that's all they do now is they just get an AI thing to make the commercial.
It's sad. It's sad. It hurts. You know, that's, I guess, one of the downfalls of AI. SP King got his account.
Well, it's not like we can believe much of anything anyways.
Yeah, but it's only going to get worse. I feel bad for the population. I really do. Like, you just don't know what's true anymore. You know how you're going to know? You have to go to the official channel. If you want to see Joe Rogan, you got to go to Joe Rogan Official. Any other Joe Rogan you see on any other channel, you have to discount it and not waste your time. I'm just using Joe Rogan.
But you got to go a step further. At that point, will Joe Rogan even be real? Because you haven't seen that video. It's I think it's an ad or something. And it's this lady talking, and she's like, "Oh, I'm so and so's avatar." And avatar, that means it's not you.
Yeah.
And then
Avatar is a sexy alien. If you're into that kind of thing. I'm not saying I'm into that kind of thing, but if
another guy.
No. He became an avatar because he fell in love with an avatar. I don't know if they're called avatars. Avatars is just
way to recover. Go
watch the movie.
Next subject.
Go watch the first movie. He falls in love with the girl, the female avatar with the tail, with the sexy tail.
You want to rub her tail, don't you? Go on, you can rub her tail.
So he transforms
make sure you got the right one.
Okay, we're getting a short trade.
I showed up this morning. I forgot I was already green. So that's good news.
Yep.
I don't know what y'all were doing last night. There was a lot of stuff going on last night.
1, 2, 3. Oh, there was your short. Got stopped out good because I said my next trade's going to be a short, and it got stopped out. I'm glad.
I blame half of it on Methodical, man. I was just hanging out in his stream, doing some trade. Next thing I know, I'm green everywhere. Messaging people. Freaking daughter's got the TV full blast. That's the only way you can watch K-pop Demon Hunters. Full fucking blast.
You did the same thing. Good morning, JC.
JC, good morning. ERB, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Anybody I missed, good morning. Miss K, good morning.
I'm announcing I took an early short. I'm going to get out of a piece. I'm short at 31. Join the bid. I got out of a piece. I'm stopping out at.
I had Methodical Man playing. Was kind of watching it, kind of doing a bunch of other stuff, and he's like, Omnius, you got 30 seconds to let me know you're there. I'm like, what? What the hell did I do?
30 seconds. That's not a lot of time.
My son's like, did he say Omnius? I'm like, I don't know. What did I do? Let me know what I did. And he's like, do this, this, and this. I'm like, for what? And it was all so fast. He's like, blah, 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 and then into the stream. I'm like, what the hell? You know what's going on? So I took a picture and sent it to him, and he sent me a code for an Apex account.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell?
Markets are opened.
So I accidentally won an Apex account. I accidentally started the day off green. And they say you shouldn't trade distracted. Maybe I trade better distracted.
Really? That's not possible.
Yeah, it is. Just go with it. I gotta find time to trade freaking Apex account.
No, it's like we're getting delays here. I was down $90. I entered a trade. I was up 90. I got out and it said I was only up. Oh, it's still down $86. So my plus 90 profit turned into and only a $4 profit by the time I exited. When it was showing plus 90, you see, we're getting delays. That's so unfair.
I agree.
It just happened again. I don't know. cheating. Okay. You remember we watched the pre-market levels.
No, I would never do that.
Look how we touched the pre-market low. I hate that because we just missed it by about a half a point. So we kind of didn't take it out yet.
Looks good to me.
I don't know what to tell you guys about that. Make your own conclusions.
I just did. I like my stuff ugly. I don't need that defined answer that everybody else is looking for in life.
Looks like we're going to take it out again. We're going to try and take it out.
We got a double bottom, actually triple bottom. We just kind of came back down to the same spot. Out of support. Do we push up? Do we go down and run the bottom?
I think they front ran the pre-market lows. That's what I'm kind of feeling.
Hey, do you think it's a coincidence
No
that
way.
I haven't had anything to do with Apex in over a year?
And now everything is Apex for you.
What the fuck is going on? I told you we live in a simulation.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all are trying to force me to participate with this company. Starboy, good morning.
Good morning, Starboy.
ERB wants to know when you're going to start doing the evening stream again. ERB, probably the beginning of the year.
Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, no, I answered him already. He said he's been missing the evening streams. I said, yeah, me too.
I think from here on out through the rest of the year, everything's just kind of up in the air. So
that's 3 taps at the pre-market lows.
that's what I said. He's just copying what I'm saying. Let's be
No,
real.
we're just, there we go. Now we swept it.
Mm-hmm.
Now we took it out.
Copycat.
Now let's see if we rocket higher.
To the moon. Let's go.
Yeah. Now the problem is to figure out how to enter long without risking too much.
No.
It's not,
No.
just don't take a...
No. I'm not convinced yet. We're going to need a little bit more something. Give me something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have to figure it out. I haven't figured it out. Is it just maybe taking out the high of a 1-minute candle? Is it as simple as that? What can we do? What can we do to try and find a long? That's the problem with keeping risk low, especially in the morning when you sweep the pre-market lows because the candles are so large. So your risk is high, but we're not doing much, eh?
Okay. That means I agree with you.
Well, the high of the U.S. session is 450, and now we're at 370, so only 80 points. Nothing spectacular.
To point out, does look like we're breaking this major support. Going down to Globex Open. 25,332-ish. For those that don't know, my Globex Open's different on every chart. I don't know why I use it. It's what I'm used to. So now does Globex Open hold? Does yesterday's close, which should be relatively about the same. Does that hold? Anybody interested in tracking the open? You could also track the close like Mike does, and it's a lot better way of tracking.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
You'll be fine to Pravis. We are bouncing off the Globex Open. So maybe that's a sign. Go back up to
oh my god.
5-minute moving average. Plus we have resistance there. Called at 25,397. Just saying it's a possibility. Oh, is that also this hourly close? I think it is. Oh, it is. If we get a push up to that, I really would like to see an entry there. No way. And that's VWAP. I'm just going to go ahead and put me in order there. I almost think we're going to push up there.
Where I put a sell order, I'm long at 53. I put a sell order at 67.
97.
Wow, that's nice. I'm just going for 67.
We got a whole lot of stuff right there at that 97.
56, 58, 57, 61, 62.
That was that double bottom we broke. We got VWAP. We got the 5-minute moving average. We got the hourly wick. Whole lot going on right there.
The price is changing very fast.
I don't think I want to do the buy up because that's counter trend. Order canceled. Okay.
Damn.
You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Jamming, man. Cavalier conspiracy.
Come on.
Wonder if Skeletor listens to Cavalier conspiracy. Cold. I had my beanie on, but then I was hot. Sweep of that low, a nice push up. Got Delta pushing. This might be your long.
There we go. Okay. Past my daytraders.com account.
Are they going to put a hammer on the 1 minute? Oh, yeah.
I'm going to go look at. I'm going to go look at Top Step because the data is supposed to change much quicker than what I'm seeing on the accounts. I remember that's what I liked about Top Step X you would see the bid and ask change like 20 times a second. Now it seems to be doing it methodically at every half a second. Tick, 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 tick. It's supposed to be quicker than that. Yeah, no, Top Step X is different. I don't know. Platform X is with daytraders.com. Are they giving them less service? Have they made a change for all the other people temporarily until they close them down? Excuse me. Oh my God, look at the difference. Yeah, now it's flying.
Guess my Ninja Trader chart still don't want to work.
Huge difference.
What's flying?
The bid and ask, it's changing like 15 times a second. Let me confirm that again. Let me on Top Step X. Now let me go back to day traders. Day traders, it's changing once every half a second. And with the speed of the markets now, you don't even know where price is. Let's see. Let's see if it's my imagination.
We're breaking this trend line on the hourly. We broke it. I mean, it's gone. We're not breaking it. We broke it. It's gone. So we broke that major support again and broke the trend line.
Oh my God. Huge difference. Huge difference. Let's go see Blinux on platform
Bearish.
X.
Everything's bearish for the day setting up so far. You know, I was on Day Trader's site last night. I'm kind of mad at them. I feel like I've been lied to. You know how they say you only pay once?
Okay.
That's a lie.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, you got to read the fine print. After you have the account for 10 years, you have to pay a penny to get another 10 years.
Fucking liars.
Fucking liars.
Fucking liars. I don't know why I did that.
I saw that. I was like, you fucking liars.
So this is interesting. The numbers are flying with Blinux on Project X, and they're flying with Top Step X. But the numbers are not flying with
data issue.
With day traders.
I was looking for that retracement, but I guess I got to get that out of my head. I think the retracement might have been canceled. Or check this out. If we push up from right here, that retracement would be the 50%. Huh? Maybe. Just saying. Just maybe. What? There's a nice reversal pattern showing up on the 2 minute. What are you on the 1 minute? I like 2 minute one better.
I can't hear you.
That's a loud huff and puff.
Yeah.
You all right?
No.
Come on.
Fucking markets. I hit a PDLL in my PA.
You have a PDL for a reason.
Yeah, but it aggravated me. I get so many. Oh, well, you can. You want to close the camera?
Here. I
get so many of these ones. I catch all the fucking ones every time I take a trade. I sit out a bit. 2s, 3s, 4. I take the one. Got the one. So come on, man. Anyways, that's it.
It happens.
Yeah, I'm so out of sync, you know.
Come on, man.
Okay, turning the camera back on.
But stay good and collected.
Well, I got a PDLL, so nothing I can do.
Stay collected.
Yeah, I am.
Well, I think that retracement has been invalidated.
What do we got going on the 15-minute chart? What are we taking
So-
out?
Now I'm just going to get that out of my head. I was looking
NQ's
for it. I thought it would have been beautiful. They didn't agree.
NQ's
What can
taking
you
out
do?
session lows. ES is not, so NQ is relatively weaker. Showing weakness.
Order canceled. Your order? You playing orders
Nope.
again?
Nope. I'm not on that screen.
I think that was your order.
Wasn't
That wasn't
my
mine.
order.
How many chasing trades I'm not in?
Are you listening to somebody? I haven't taken a trade since I was talking to my son.
So we're at that
Okay.
area where we could just get this massive dump.
Mm,
I don't know if it'd be the day. They're really like Fridays, so maybe we bounce for a day or two and then Friday just dump it. Hourly chart, got this nice head and shoulders pattern. I think I pointed that out a few days ago. Might be a bearish winter.
Hmm.
Storm's coming. What was it they said in that one show? Winter's coming.
Well, I think we've had the Santa Claus rally many years in a row, so the reason why I say that is because I feel like I've been watching it. And always saying, oh, I missed it, I missed it.
Well, I guess we know what comes after a bearish November, huh? Red
56,
November to
can we
red
get down
December.
to 49. No, of course not, eh?
What was the how far are we down for December? We'll go to the
Oh my God.
go ask the Qs. Down 1.4%. That's not bad.
Mm.
We can still see a green December. I think new highs are out the question though. Well, there's our first bullish candle on the 2-minute chart.
Mm. First bullish candle on the Heiken issues also.
Deltas to the moon. Looks like we're trying. Oh no, that's a new candle. Never mind. 2 minutes still bullish.
Mm. That is 05. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Dollar boy gonna short gold. What you looking at, Mike?
I'm not talking.
Well, I'm not talking to you either. other guys other than Mike? What y'all looking at?
$11. Why are you not showing the same fucking prices on two charts? I don't even know how that's possible.
Let's go.
It looks like it wants to push higher. Looks can be deceiving though.
Looks like it's fixing to dump.
Mm-hmm.
I actually got a short signal, but it's at a pivot point, so I don't know. There's our volume. Maybe I'll do a sell stop. Oh, buyers are holding.
Yeah, ATR is 35 points on the 1 minute chart. What's the volume? I don't have the volume up anymore, eh? Wow, pretty decent volume. 580,000 on the March and 125,000 on the DC. I don't need to
Dump
follow
it. Give me my 10 points.
the DC anymore, but
Give me my money. What? Give me my damn money. Like I should have got more than what I got. There's your push you were looking for. You awake?
no, I'm taking a break. It's another day mixed with good and bad. And I don't like my bad.
K50, good morning.
I don't like losing on my PA accounts with
Nice
Apex.
push. You do nice
TV.
push for us. I bet you won't give us a dip real quick. I bet you won't. Talked you into it, didn't I? Push to the moon.
Is Top Step down again? Just giving me a black screen.
Give me my damn money. Give me my money.
Wow. That's bad. That's bad for Top Step, man.
Over, I want to say last night I heard people talking about Top Step. What's going on over there?
They're just down every day.
Wow.
They must be getting blasted. I'm gonna go check out their live stream. They must be getting blasted on the stream. What's it called? Top Step TV, I think, eh?
Yeah, they'll just gaslight everybody like they always do.
You can't gaslight nothing here. People are gonna be fucking furious. They're gonna say, what the fuck's going on every fucking day? We can't trade? We'll be right back. They're not even streaming.
Nuh-uh. You serious?
I just clicked. It says live. We'll be right back. I think they're all
No
ran.
way.
I guess I'm gonna.
I want to know what happened right before the break.
Yeah. I don't have gold. I do have a gold chart. 43.71.
Oh, he's talking about it.
Ooh, how? I don't have. I'm live.
Oh, people
we're
are
on the wrong
pissed.
one.
Is it going to freeze on stream? No way.
And I don't even have chat. Hold on, let me go to Top Step TV. Maybe I'm on the wrong one. No, 12:17. Live. We'll be right back.
Oh, they're hacking them on stream. Oh, they cut the stream because they were getting hackled.
Man, I don't have.
No.
I don't even have their chat showing. I don't know how you do. Maybe on my phone.
You can go back.
8
minutes ago.
Okay. No, it's every day, man. You know what I'm thinking? They're gonna move up the deadline, the February thing, to clean up. Yeah, I said go back, but I still don't have chat.
They cut the stream because of it.
The chat's not showing.
That's crazy. That's not good. Like shit, we don't have the answers. We all please stop asking. Oh fuck! Since y'all won't stop asking, we're cutting the stream.
Well, there's a couple of firms that are going to be happy, right?
I mean, to be fair, what can you do? I mean, if you can't do anything, you can't do anything.
At least you can't
I have
get
to
into
switch to this Apex account.
Oh, got into Bullinox. I broke into Bullinox.
Oh, what is this? 10 o'clock? Okay. It is Apex. Apex probably be like, we'll help you lose. Just give us time. I got too many screens and stuff, man. The hell am I doing? We dumping?
I hope so.
Oh, they fucked my delta up. Oh, man. This is terrible.
Boop. Okay. Small little trade there.
Oh, they fucked my delta up.
Well, we finally got a higher high on the swing highs, a higher swing high.
Mike, do you know any workarounds to have Apex and Bullinox and everything up at the same time on Ninja Trader?
Yeah, I used to do that. You just click on them.
Says I can't have more than one rhythmic.
Yeah, I didn't finish my sentence. If it's rhythmic, it won't work. That's the one caveat.
Fucking stupid. So I gotta switch rhythmic every time, and it's gonna fuck my delta up every time I do it. That's fucking stupid. Think everybody fell asleep.
Well, I took a long. This is the first. Took it on sim. That's all I got left to trade. I mean, I am slowly trading my Bullinox accounts. They're also close to passing 964. But oh yeah, you can't do that. Let me put in my stop. Hey, anytime you want to release, eh? We'll see how this trade goes.
Could get a dump right here. I know we do have a nice, that last candle on the 15 was a nice bullish candle.
Let me take a look. Yeah, we had that somewhere else also, I think on the 30
seeing
minute.
bullish signs and bearish signs. We have a bull and bear crossing.
Where did I see a candle like that? Oh, on the daily. Look at the candle on the daily. Same thing.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot what that's called. A hammer, I guess. Shooting star is the opposite.
I would just call it a hammer. I see these things all the time. They call these candles so many different things.
Yeah.
I think that's what screws people up. Everybody wants this perfect shape so they can name it this perfect thing, and I think they're missing the point. The point is what the market's doing to create the shape, not what name you want to give it. Skeletor, good morning.
Good short opportunity if it gets to 400. Good morning, Skeletor.
Skeletor, I was listening to a Cavalier Conspiracy earlier, and it got me wondering, do you listen to Cavalier Conspiracy? Or any of their other bands? Soulfly, Sepultura. Was a fan of Sepultura. Went to a concert of
We'll be right
Soulfly.
back. Honestly, I think that's sad that they bail like that.
Everybody's looking to you for answers and you run and hide.
Yeah. Stay on, talk. You know, even if you have to keep saying the same thing over and over again, that, you know, look, there's nothing we can do. We're doing our best. We're not the tech department. Whatever it is you need to say.
Never listen to Cavalier Conspiracy. The Cavalier Conspiracy is Max and his brother, who was the original drummer of Sepultura, got back together to do Cavalier Conspiracy. Yeah, Igor, yeah. They got a few albums. I think they got 3 or 4 albums now.
There's no way. What did we get? What did
Is
we
it?
beep? Oh,
This the dump?
could be. We got a tiger tooth trade. Let's see. 15. We should go down to 83.
Can't get my drawing tool across the charts. It's funny. Because one chart's a volume chart and the other chart's a time chart. Either got to draw on one or the other. So if my drawings look weird, it's because you're not seeing the chart.
Hmm.
People are going to be like, that's a weird way to draw something. Now that you're talking of them, I'll give them a try. Oh, yeah. I think the first album or two was the best. But it's definitely good stuff. I mean, if you like Soulfly and you like Sepultura, you'll definitely like Cavalier Conspiracy. Looking for it to break this trend line that y'all can't see because I can't draw it on both charts at the same time. Remember Nail Bomb? Yeah, that was another one. He's got a bunch of them, doesn't he? I don't think the guy ever sleeps.
That's an interesting. Is that a name of the album or a band?
That's the band. Nail Bomb. Yeah, I think Max was there too. I think this guy just puts out like an album with like 5 different bands every year. And you got to admire his dedication. You ever have an ideal in your head and you just got to write it down? I guess that's what he does, and then makes the song. Yeah, I think everybody's been asking for that Skeletor, but I don't know. They don't. They don't seem to want to do it. I don't even really know why, because I think their separation was more of a events going on in Max's life. I don't think it was so much the band's fault. No, could be wrong. You never know. I think Sepultura might have said they're quitting. Are they doing like a farewell tour or something? Or album? Something, I don't know.
Okay, we're kind of consolidating under the previous day's close. Not really doing much. My trade is just hanging on still. Probably a good add point. Yeah, yep. You know what? I'm going to add it. Let's see if I can add on this. Add on this at the 50%. Are we? Are we beside each other? We'll be right back. You're such a baby.
No Omnius sound on Mike's stream. He muted me.
For a while. You're back up.
Did I get treated?
Yeah. Too much metal talk.
Too much metal talk. For
Too
what?
much.
3 minutes?
At least 30.
Been like 5 minutes, Mike.
I don't know.
Skeletor said metal's the best music, Mike. I gotta agree with him. I mean, the guy's got good taste in music.
It's good, but it's a trading channel. We got to talk about the markets. Somewhat.
Keep me calm when trading. Absolutely. I don't know how people trade without it.
I don't know how people trade with music. I tried it.
Need better music.
First I sing and I hum. That's already bad.
There's your problem. You're listening to singing and humming music.
No!
Oh, they still didn't come back. Oh, man, they're just abandoning the whole show. They throw in the towel? Skeletor, Top Step's having a bunch of issues. And you know they have Top Step TV, and people were mad in the
That's
chat and
so
everything,
funny.
and they're like, we can't do anything. Just pause the show. They literally paused Top Step TV, and they've been gone now for what, 20 minutes,
Yeah, that's
30 minutes,
disgraceful.
almost 30 minutes. Holy shit!
That's disgraceful. That's like the boat is sinking and the captain's disappeared.
Yeah, where's the chat? I think they turned the chat off.
Yeah, they did. That's what I'm saying. I can't get it.
Oh my goodness! So at the moment when everybody needs you the most, you run and hide,
You abandoned them, I know.
abandon them, and turn the chat off where they can't even talk to figure out what's going on. Top Step, that is fucked up, dude.
Yeah, that's sad. Really is. I'm usually not very critical, but that's pretty sad.
That's kind of like your insurance company, right? You ever need us, we got you. We're right here. You get hurt, go to the hospital. Oh, we don't cover that. No, we don't cover that. No, we don't cover that.
We don't cover that either.
Yeah, we don't cover that. Yeah, you're probably gonna die. I'm sorry. That's fucked up. Like the Discord at Apex, they closed the chat last year. Yeah.
I remember.
Just imagine what they would have did if they had a trading channel.
Please tell me I didn't just do that.
I mean, how do you even respond to that though? Like, hey, we're having issues. Y'all come to us for answers, and we turned the stream off and closed the chat. Y'all couldn't even communicate with other people.
Mm.
I wonder if they closed the Discord also. I feel like they're going to dump. Then I feel like I wanted to dump too much, so they're not going to dump.
I don't know. We're just hanging out here. Like I said, I have a long trade with a stop at 260 and a target of 388. But, oh, cool.
Hey, Skeletor, I forgot to tell you, I accidentally won an Apex account last night. Completely accidental. First features prop was Top Step. I don't think I was ever with Top Step. I think when I was looking at Top Step, they were like crazy expensive. And I was like, hell no, why don't I just trade my own account?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was completely accidental. Let me tell you what happened. I was on a Methodical Man stream, and I was just typing in the chat, and you know, they do like the exclamation mark MM or whatever. So whatever, I put it in. And then like half hour, 45 minutes later or something, my daughter's got the freaking TV over there, full blast. Some K-pop Demon Hunter shit. Like, can you turn that down? I'm messaging people. I'm doing stuff with my son. And all of a sudden I hear Methodical Man say, Omnius, you got 30 seconds to respond. I'm like, what? Respond to what? The hell's going on? What did I do? So I type in the chat. I'm like, what did I do? What's going on? My son's like, I heard him say Omnius. And then like super fast, right? He's like, oh, do this, and turns the stream off. And I'm like, what the hell? What am I supposed to do?
This, and this.
So I'm trying to think, like, what all did he say, right? So, like, I did it all, and I messaged him, and they sent me a code for an Apex account. They said any size, but I guess I chose the 50K. I'm just used to the 50K. I guess I could have got a 300.
No good. People get distracted with the numbers. Don't call it a 300. Change the names. And then
now I have an Apex account. I haven't done anything with Apex in over a year. And like a week ago, just started even talking to Apex. And like in 1 week, like all this stuff's been happening with Apex.
I was saying change the
That's
name and look at
crazy.
the drawdown and look at the profit target. Don't call it a 300K account and blind yourself with that name.
All this stuff happened because I was mean to him on that review, wasn't it? Now they're like, can we get this guy back on our side a little bit?
Oh, there we go. That was perfect.
All right, what did I give him? A 2.5? Okay, I'll raise it to a 2.6. How's that? How y'all trading this? We're just going sideways. Got this nice
Yeah, we are
wedge
going
pattern.
sideways. That is series. That is series. Do not plot.
I got to figure out how to separate my drawings. Can't draw on a volume chart and a time chart at the same time.
Oh. I think the next stop is VWAP.
Get that WAP, huh?
Mm-hmm. Is the K-pop VWAP.
K-pop VWAP.
So where was the 50%? Anybody? Anybody? Let's see. Let's move this over. F5. No.
Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart.
F8. That was the first entry. Oh, I have
Waiting
it
for a
already.
breakout. I don't want my mind creating a movie
100%.
in this market. Going here or going the other. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. There's a case for the downside and a case for the upside. Got a split market.
Hey,
Steel Hub, good morning.
how are you doing? Nice to see you.
They always talking about metal music and more metal.
He
People
showed
come to
up.
the show. See? Coincidence? I think not.
You know what? I wouldn't be surprised. These things have a way of knowing everything. These search engines, and it will push over VWAP and test it. Yeah, that's my theory.
But keep in mind, we also got a nice bear flag. Dropping down, flag up.
I was pretty certain we were going to make a run for it on that little push there. I got out half. So now it's pretty much a free trade, this one here, the setup. Are you married now? YouTube married? Are you guys married now? Not officially. Not until he invites me over. I told him I got a bathing suit, swimming cap, goggles, suntan lotion, flip-flops. I'm all ready. I'm all ready to come down to Florida. I have all the equipment.
I told him the springs are 72 degrees year round.
Yeah. What's the water in the ocean now, wintertime? You know the temperature? In December?
It's probably cold.
Yeah.
I think around now you'd rather go to the Springs.
73 is not warm. No one here at my house will go. My kids love to swim. They're not like me. They don't need 93 degrees, but they won't go in water under 80.
That's the way I feel.
80 is cold. 80 is cold. 80 almost feels like an ice bath.
We got one pool we like to go to. It's a spring-fed pool.
Okay.
In the middle of summer, I mean, it literally feels like there's ice floating through it. But it's 72 degrees. I mean, the springs are 72 year-round. Just in the middle of summer, that 72 is just so freaking cold. I used to love the springs. Anymore, I don't know. I can't stand to get in them. My body just goes into shock.
It does, yeah. You know what? You know how people are traumatized with dentists because they had a bad experience when they were young? I'm traumatized with water because when I was young, my parents sent me to summer camp up north. We live in Quebec. So we're already north. And in June, the lake water, I don't know, it's got to be in the 50s. They would wake you up at 8 in the morning. You'd have to go out in your bathing suit with a towel, and they would throw you in the lake. I thought that was torture. Scale in. Well, I already got in. I don't have any more accounts to trade. OFT or PDH. I don't have any more accounts to trade. My 2 Apex accounts hit the PDLL, unfortunately for me. I passed my daytraders.com account. I don't know what else I did. I can't get into Top Step. And Bullinox, I don't want to pass them yet, but they're about as close as you can get. 52,997, 52,976. I probably have more accounts. I got to check my inventory, but that's enough. I'm kind of off today again. Platforms aren't working well. Everything is off.
Oh, they're still down.
Wow.
Man, I bet you're going to see a bunch of videos about Top Step tomorrow.
I remember you telling me about that. Cutting a hole in the ice and jumping in. We have that.
No, don't do that.
Told you guys, runners. Yeah, this is about where I got out of my other piece here. It's a 3-to-1 trade. I got out a little bit better than 1-to-1. So 100, 200, 300. I got out about here. That's about where I got out for a piece. And now I'm holding for the 400%, which is 3-to-1. We'll watch it. It's on sim anyways. It will reject now. Well, let's go kiss VWAP first. But yeah, we have the Polar Bears Club over here. They go swimming in the freezing water.
You ever see Joe Rogan and those people talk about taking ice baths every morning?
No.
I don't know how people do that.
It is invigorating. It does wake you up.
I bet it does.
Motherfucker.
You know what else wakes you up? Coffee. Yeah, I bet an ice bath. I bet your body does say, "Hey, wake the hell up."
Yeah. What the fuck you doing? No. Well, I think I better stop trading because, like, I'm asleep. I don't know what's going on. I have been making a tool that I use every day. You mean like an indicator? I guess.
Yeah, because earlier he said that's what his tool said or something.
I thought he was talking about something else. I thought it talks to him.
Maybe.
He feels a vibration. When do we get to see the tool? Plug in. Ah, well. I'm holding until I get stopped out at 260 on this trade. How is it doing so far?
Does that mean the tool's saying sell now? We getting a sell signal?
Wow, right there at the bottom? Well, I think you got it higher because I would say you got it
Well, I mean,
higher.
there is a delay.
320 something. $150. And if I get stopped out on this, 91. Well, what am I long at? I'm long at 91, 60, 30. $60, 6, 12, 18, 24. I'll be down $90 on the trade. That's odd. Shouldn't be.
Trying to go.
Shouldn't be. How's that possible?
Question is, where do we go to? Maybe down to this 200?
Okay. On a virtual machine. I don't trust. I mean, I don't know if you're talking about an online, in the cloud type of thing. But I don't know. I don't trust them. But then again, I've only tried the free services. Maybe if I tried for the pay services. OBS disconnected, OBS reconnected, OBS disconnected, OBS reconnected. No, I have an idea, but now I have it in use and I've tested it. Good job, Starboy. It will sell lower than Shared Brothers. We can all win. But I don't get it. If it doesn't give sell signals, what does it give? What does that mean? It's a professional tool. Just to give you like a heads up, kind of like the, what do we call it? The CBD, cumulative volume delta, just to show you when things are rolling over.
Maybe like direction or something?
Well, if it flips direction, that would be a sell signal. I would have to say more, just an indication of where the bias is.
No, I would disagree because, like, I use the 2-minute chart to tell me direction. I use the RSI to tell me direction. A lot of the things I use are just telling me they're not buy signals. They're
you're right.
Just saying whether I should be long or short. Oh, look at this dump.
Yeah.
It got me a scalp. I guess I should have held it.
I sold, so this is the bottom. I'm playing. You know what? I shouldn't be playing with my accounts.
Still going lower. Santa rally has been canceled. The Grinch is in town, baby.
Did you get your graphics card back? Did you get it fixed, repaired, replaced, exchanged, refunded? Are you back up and running? I guess so, eh? I got stopped out. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, you got your money back. Holy shit. Yeah, they're expensive. My daughter built a computer. Not a crazy computer, but like $2,000, whatever. I don't know, $2,500. I think over $1,000 just went into the graphics card. All this so she can play Minecraft. Are you kidding me? Minecraft.
I don't understand. Why do you need such an expensive graphics card to play Minecraft? I mean,
Well, the computer she had before was an HP all-in-one, and it wasn't keeping up, and she was discouraged, so I guess she just didn't want to put up with it anymore, and she said she'll buy something solid now, and she won't have to worry about it for a long time. I don't see how Minecraft is such a graphics intensive thing. Seriously.
me neither. I mean, my kid plays it on an old Xbox and my computer. I think he said it lags a little bit on my computer. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, she wanted it high resolution, high refresh rate, high everything. Okay. Girl likes her Minecraft.
I think that's the thing is everybody wants those like insane graphics.
Come on, Mike. ERB, are you there? You still hanging around?
Taking over this town.
Okay, let me try again.
Short.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I'm doing in a sec.
Dump it.
There
Dump
you
it.
go. I'm just getting my Bullinox accounts as close as possible to 53 a K. So you can't get closer than that. I mean, you can, but I guess that's enough. Playing with it anymore now is would be silly. One's $3 away and one's $4.50 away.
Full port.
Full port. Talking a 1 micro 2 points will get me over the threshold. I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it
2
for,
ticks.
Yeah. I'll leave it. Here is how the tool works. It will be a free tool. It works a little like this. I'm taking data from no kidding. I mean, all stocks that are in the NQ. It will recognize if stocks are weak.
That sounds cool. Don't they have a? Isn't there a similar one that does options? Somehow they do options, and
OBS keeps having a heart attack.
yeah, your stream kept stopping.
Yeah.
Thought you was going that top step route.
No, OBS keeps disconnecting on me. Top Step X is back up.
Oh yeah, oh we got to hear this.
Oh, I don't know about the stream. I'm talking about their platform.
How do you explain to all your people? How do you come back and explain to all your people that when they needed you the most, you ran and hid.
We didn't run and hide. We just went to go refresh our coffee. And we had to make. We have a stomach ache. We had to go poop. Yeah, these things take time. The bathroom was out of toilet paper. We had to wait. You know, shit happens. Sounds plausible, no?
We got to take bets. They just come back and act like nothing ever happened.
Yeah, probably.
Like, oh, we just came back from a bathroom break, or do they come back and like, hey, we're sorry guys that we abandoned y'all and you needed us the most? Do they turn the chat back on, or keep it off for the rest of the day? I bet they keep it off. Yeah, we'll be right back. Yeah, Skeletor's been that way for what, going on an hour now? Yeah, almost an hour.
That's every day. No, they still will be right back. Every day they're having problems.
Before they left, people were getting mad about the platform. So finally they were like, yeah, there's not much we can do. We're going to take a break.
We'll make it for ES later. A couple things I want to include. Actually, like this, I'm taking data for stocks, all the stocks. How many are in the Nasdaq? I don't even know. The Russell has 2,000. The NQ Nasdaq 100. Is it? Is that it?
Yeah.
100 stocks.
Yeah, I think so.
And the S&P's 500.
The S&P's 500, but the S&P's starting to look a lot like the Nasdaq now. Because all the tech Nasdaq's supposed to be the tech stocks, but now the S&P, all the top ones are tech stocks. What is I think Nvidia is like almost 10% of the S&P. If Nvidia crashed right now, 10% of the S&P would crash.
Wow.
That's a lot of power for one company.
Didn't refresh my copy options. We like to convert max pain level. Well, thank you also. I think SPY options would be the best. SPY, yeah.
Yeah, there's something that they track from options. I don't know what it is that tells them direction of the market. I would say look it up. If I told you, you'd probably just give you the wrong information. They also track like expiration dates for options, stuff like that tell them market direction. I think all that stuff's really interesting, but you'd have to take like a class on it or something. They get so deep into that stuff. One day I'll have to like go down the rabbit hole on it. Imagine being able to look at options and tell you what the day is going to be like.
Stocks, 54 green, 46 red.
I was looking for the 200. We're down at the 100. I wonder if there's some kind of news event also. I think I seen something this morning that said Trump was talking about blocking oil to Venezuela or something.
Oh, yeah. Well, he did capture a tanker, no?
Is that from Venezuela?
I think so. Don't quote me.
I mean, it might be because I seen something said that he signed an executive order or something, or telling them to block oil.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be act of war?
I have no idea.
I mean, if you tell a country you're blocking oil, then how do you do it? You do it by force, right? And that force would be an act of war.
Well, they make rules and they expect the world to follow. I don't know how they do that. You can't sell oil to Russia. What does that mean? But I don't think they say you can't sell oil to Russia. I think they say
that's what
you
they say.
can't. Yeah, but I think there's a sentence. You can't sell oil to Russia. If you do, we will do this to you. Like you can't play with Jimmy because if you do, I won't lend you my blue shirt. I think they say that if you do, you have consequences. But in this case, they seem to be enforcing it like it's a rule. Like you just can't sell oil to Russia.
Well, keep in mind.
Oh, no, I think I know what route he's going. Go.
Keep in mind how many countries that we've bombed over the past 20 years because of oil. I mean, there's a whole handful of them in the Middle East. So when they're saying it, they're saying, we will bomb you. Russia has a huge reserve of oil.
Off.
I think the U.S. does also. We don't like to use our own oil because they make deals in the Middle East to get people to buy oil in U.S. dollars. That's what they're after. They want to protect that deal to buy oil in U.S. dollars.
Okay, I'm stopping to hang out at ICT, or not ICT, at Top Step TV, which sounds like ICT.
They never came back.
Let's go back to Omnius.
Wonder if Lumi and Tanya's teaming up now. They've been like third day or so. I've seen them streaming together.
Oh, yeah?
That's cool. Wonder how they're setting it up.
Lumi, is she finished? Is she finished?
I think she's Russian. Her accent's getting a lot better, but I remember her saying before that she was scared to stream because she didn't think people would like her accent. It's gotten a lot better.
That's ridiculous.
People love accents.
Of course. Men go crazy for an accent. I'm going to start talking with an accent. I just don't know which one yet. I can't do any of them good. Except for a southern accent. No offense. No one ever says a southern accent is beautiful.
That's not what the girls tell me.
A southern accent. It's got to be European. That's the ones that attract attention.
Okay, I think they're swapping back and forth between streams then. So today they're on Lumi's stream. The other day they was on Tanya.
Lumi is a Finnish name. Say to
What's
her
the
that
form?
changes her name to some
She's
Russian
giving away
way.
10 Tradeify accounts.
Ludmila.
Where the hell's the form? What do you mean fill out the form?
Oh, fuck off. Guys, I don't know why OBS is burping. Maybe it's time for an update or something. It keeps flashing. Disconnected, reconnected. Disconnected, reconnected. Ever since Prop Deal Hubs came in. Blame it on him.
Must be 18, must have an active account. I don't have an account. Mike, you have a Tradeify account?
No. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Couldn't tell you.
Lumi says she's giving away 10 accounts. I think in the next 10 minutes.
Yeah. Lumi means snow. Pushing him.
Yeah, calls Lumi.
With me.
Top Step still never came back.
There we go.
They don't know what to tell people.
Tough price action, man. Tough price action. Well, I hope they don't
sorry,
cancel because since they came back on, I'm doing well on my Top Step account.
Bellator says the Venezuelan people he knows want the U.S. to enter and take down Maduro. Is that the president?
Yeah, I think so.
Venezuela is rich country with oil. Yeah, I think they have a lot of corruption and stuff there as well.
I don't know. I'm either listening to too much news or the world is an ugly place. Or maybe as you get older, you start to think like that. I'm not sure which theory to go with.
I don't think it's getting older. I think it's just sometimes you pay attention to it, sometimes you don't.
Mm.
Even my son's like, Dad, why is the world like this? Like, I don't know. Too much greed. Everybody wants to control everything.
Mm.
But at the same time, you can choose to look at it how you want. It's either the best time in history to ever be alive or the worst, depending on how you look at it. I mean, it can't be the worst, not yet, but I mean, there's a lot of bad stuff, but still, what an amazing time to be alive.
It is.
We went one time, I think it was in Tennessee or something, up in the mountains, and they got a little tour thing, and there's this little village from like the early 1800s or something.
Mm.
They got like this historical graveyard there. And you go through and you look at the graves, and all the families were put together. So you go through and you look at the graves, you look at the families. There's just so many graves, and the families back then, they would have 10, 12 kids, and half of them would die at childbirth.
Wow.
Could you imagine living back then? You have a kid, you're like, well, it's got a 50-50 chance, I guess.
Mm. Yeah, we do. Of course we do. I don't know who you're talking to. If you're talking to Omnius.
I don't know the question.
No, he doesn't have snow. We do. We got terrible snow. It's a shitty winter this year. We're getting hammered.
You guys have snow? No, we don't get snow. It's 65 degrees right now.
In the shade.
In the shade, yeah. We don't know how to dress in Florida. One day we go outside, we're hot, we're sweating. The next day we go outside, we're freezing.
Mm.
It comes down to the hour in Florida. You might leave the house in long pants, a sweatshirt, and a thick jacket, and an hour later you need shorts and flip-flops and a t-shirt.
Hmm. We already had a week period of like minus 30, I think it was. Minus 29, minus 24.
What's that mean, Black Christmas?
No snow on the ground.
No snow, okay. Freezing at 50 degrees? Yeah, in Florida, 50 degrees is freezing. we get freeze warnings at 50.
Hey, SP King.
Mike, do y'all get that?
Good morning. What?
Do you get a text message like an alert? Freezing conditions
We do, yeah. If
at
the
50.
not at 50, but we get weather warnings. Yeah, no,
So
we
in
get
our
it.
scale, freezing is at 30. What is it, 33 or 34?
I'm not sure. Yeah, somewhere around there.
We're, get, we're getting warnings 20 degrees before it even
Before
freezes
freezing.
because we don't know what to do. Nobody knows what to do. We got to get online and Google what to do when it freezes. We get like one or two freezes a year. Almost time for a bounce up. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's just a slow grind down. And Mike, what do we do when we get the slow grind?
I don't know.
We never trade against the slow grind. Never, was it never short a dull market or never buy a dull market?
Sorry to ask, can I pass the account in one day? I don't even remember who you're with. SP King, I think you're with Taurus, eh? I'm not sure. I don't think Taurus allows 1 day to pass. You'd have to check the rules. I think they require 5 days. But even I'm you know what? I'm guessing. I don't want to open my mouth. I'm guessing. I was going to say even if you pass in 1 day, then you just trade small, but I don't even know. I don't want you to do something and then find out it's wrong. I guess the best thing is to go and check. Really? 54.46 green. Go figure, eh?
Galtor said Puerto Rico is 65 to 70s freezing. Everybody's got jackets on. I mean, when you're used to these like hot conditions, I mean, it's all relative to the condition you're used to, right? So if you're used to the 50s and 60s, then of course, 30s ain't bad. If you're used to 105, 110, then 60, 70 is freezing.
We just tapped into previous day's low about 5 minutes ago. SP King, the activation fee. Again, not sure. 100 and something. I don't know what it is exactly. Oh, it's true, eh? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they emailed me, SP King. They said you're set up. I forgot. I wanted to let you know. And I forgot.
Asha's doing it now. That's crazy. 10 accounts to give away.
Go get me one.
I don't have Tradeify. I was going to sign up, but I ain't got it.
Enter me in.
I was telling you in case you had it. Top Step still won't come back.
What else is new?
Do they just kill the stream?
What else is new?
They might just kill the stream. You said the platform's back up, right?
Yeah, it is. I'm trading on it.
Do you think they would come back, talk to people, tell people what to do?
Yeah. Yes, property. Live me traders. Giving away the accounts.
Yeah, she's doing it now. I don't know if you signed up already. Yeah, I like Lumi Traders. Kind of weird she teamed up with Tanya, but I guess they do both trade ICT. I think she said, I'm pretty sure she said she's from Russia. She sounds so much different now. You go back like 6 months on her stream, you can barely understand her.
Hmm.
She done lost the accent that everybody loves so much.
Wow.
You should have. You
That's
should have
funny.
kept it.
That's weird. That you wouldn't know that. I thought everyone knows that.
What?
Yeah, an accent. How men love an accent, a foreign accent.
Mm-hmm. I think people in general just love accents that they're not used to. Well, ERB might be right. This might be the push up. Do we jump in? Skeletor, in my opinion, Top Step is sinking slowly like the
Yeah.
Titanic.
Yeah.
They continue paying. That's fine. But looks weird. The stuff that happens these last couple of months. Yeah.
It really does. So Project X is going to commit to them, and then they're struggling with issues. I don't think they're going to sink, though. They're too big of a firm. It's like Apex. People have been telling me Apex is going to close. They're in trouble. I've been hearing it since 2022 or something. 2023. I go, they're not closing. You guys believe everything you hear. They're flooded in cash. Top Step has made a shit ton of money. They got a big reserve to survive this. They'll build their way out of it. They'll fix it. They're too big already.
Getting some nice bullish stuff going on here. Do we wait for the pullback or do we just jump in? You're right. I'll lower contract size, jump in. If we get a pullback, I'll add some more. To the moon. Let's go. No, the other way. What are you doing?
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, you know. Drop deals. Yeah, Russian. Could have similar word. Doesn't have Lumi word. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that before she said she was Russian. Amazing how big her channel's grown past months. Oh, wow, she's over 100,000 now. That's crazy.
Well, I'm gonna go get coffee.
Yeah, I need to also. I guess working with Tanya's been pretty good for her. What, not a few months ago, she was under 10. She was at like 5,000 or something. Who's that? Lumi Traders. Yeah, her channel's exploded over the past few months. Everybody loves that accent that she was so worried about. deals. We have a lot of Ukrainians here, immigrants and veterans. We have Russians also. Watching kids playground. I was with my son. How the Russians and Ukrainian we get along. Yeah, aren't they the ones fighting right now? It's funny how all the people just want to get along and live their life. And all the governments want to fight each other. One of the good things also about being online and talking to people around the world, you get to hear about different cultures and different people, different viewpoints. I think that's pretty cool. Border with Russia has been closed a couple years now, and it's 1,000 miles long. Well, Russia gets a lot of snow, doesn't it? It's weird that y'all's not getting snow, but Russia is. I don't know. I don't know much about the world map, I guess. Skeletor, we are governed by psychopaths. Yes, we are. All around the world. George Collins said it best. It's a big fucking club, and we ain't in it. All the people of the world just want to get along and try to lift each other up and help everybody out, and all the governments just want to fight everybody. They get that control and power, and they'll do anything to keep it. We broke yesterday's low slightly. I didn't realize that we went down so far yesterday. $16? Oh, right there. Yeah. Okay. I guess during the New York trading, we was up here. I didn't realize that we went down that far yesterday. Stock still 53 green, 47, 53, 47 green, but momentum 85, 15 red. That sounds like a pretty interesting indicator, or I don't know. What'd you call it? Add-on. I forget what you called it. Dumping. Lots of sellers coming in. We take it for a few points. Maybe get a scalp. Give me my money. Give me my money. Y'all see why I could never trade with my funded futures? See my trades? I'm literally in trades for seconds. I don't think I've had a 15-second trade all day. This is the Apex account. So 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on the Apex account. I don't want to switch my data because it messes up my delta. I think I took like 4 or 5 on the Bullinox.
I'm back. I'm back.
He's back. Maybe I need to find a different delta indicator or something if I got to switch between Bullinox. Every time I switch, it messes my data up and messes up my delta.
See ya, OFT.
Time to eat. OFT, appreciate you hanging out. OFT, you got to give us an official new name to call you or something.
You said stick with OFT.
Did he?
PDH.
Okay.
Or sometimes I call him PDH, but it's hard. It's hard with a name change. Still is OFT.
Yeah. You got to think is PDH just doesn't roll over as smoothly, or are you already used to
the
calling
OFT.
them one thing? It's hard to change.
PDH is pretty cool too.
You get used to calling somebody a certain thing, and it's just mentally hard to correct it.
Yeah, still didn't get along.
That's crazy that Lumi Traders went from like under 10,000 to 110,000
Yeah.
in months.
I don't know how that happens.
Probably working with Tanya. And well, she was already gaining a lot of steam before that.
Mm.
I mean, how many's Tanya got? Tanya's got a whole bunch of people.
Invite him on the stream. There you go. The boys against the girls. Boys on the left side, girls on the right side. See who out trades.
Tanya blew up because she went and seen Patrick. Oh, well, Tanya's only got 128. Oh, wow. I think Lumi stole all Tanya's subscribers. Lumi's going to be bigger than Tanya here soon. That's crazy. I don't know if I'd be ready for 100,000 subscribers.
Mm.
My eyes are bad. I can't read the chat that fast.
No, I don't
We're
know.
going to have to create an AI or something to read the chat for us.
I don't know how they do it.
I don't either. Good thing about the smaller streams, you actually get to talk to people.
I think you just pick and choose.
Certain people you recognize.
No, not certain people. I think just when you decide to look at the screen and you react to what's on the screen at the moment.
Maybe.
Because if you're waiting for certain people, then you got to be scanning all the time. Why? What happened to SP King?
Oh, he's probably laughing about me saying I don't know if I'm ready for 100,000 subscribers. Mike's ready. Mike was born ready. I'm getting there. I'm getting better and better. Wasn't that long ago. I wouldn't even talk to people.
No, it's tough in the beginning. I think we're broadcasters already. I think we understand how to keep the conversation flowing. But again, we've said it a million times. The fact that we have each other and that we have people now in the chat also makes that so much easier. When you got people chatting and you got something to respond to, it makes a huge difference.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I talk to y'all, but in real life, I'm still antisocial.
Yeah, that'll never change, eh? I'm the same way. It'll never change. This doesn't change me. This doesn't make me more sociable.
Go somewhere, I'm like, who the fuck are you? You think I just talk to random strangers? Then I come home, go online, talk to a bunch of random strangers. It's funny. It's great though when you get to hang out with people and talk about things you have in common. That's what's cool about the stream. We get to hang out with people that love trading and show up and do it every day. Make funny jokes, keep it interesting. Then other people say, "Oh, trading is boring," and you're not meant to have fun trading. Like what? I like trading. I like having fun trading. I like hanging out with other people and talking about it, coming up with strategies, and I think we have a lot of fun on stream. Other guy though, if I could just get him to laugh a little bit more.
Which guy? The guy under you, beside you?
Yeah, he's there
Where am I
somewhere.
on your
Yeah, that
stream?
guy.
Oh, I'm on top of you on your stream. You were saying beside before.
I was looking at your stream.
You're not beside me. You're above me.
No, I was saying we got social distance. If you go to one side, what side? I think I had to go to this side. You got to go to the other side. That's all we get. They put us in these little boxes. As far as we can go. We're in the Truman Show.
That's as far as we can go.
You got to sing that song, I'm the man in the box.
Hmm.
Still no top step.
Wow, that's crazy.
I'm interested to see what they say when they come back on. I almost feel like they're just going to act like nothing happened. I don't know what is 11:20. I'm green everywhere. I should probably not take many more trades. Nothing worse than a nice green day going to shit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even this Apex account that I accidentally got, even it's green. Really can't believe y'all are making me trade Apex. Like I'm being forced. I have to find me a news event or something and full port this account. Starboy with the W. Starboy, you winning? Means still active. I got you. Yeah, that's what we need. We need like a certain thing people can put in the chat just to kind of, hey, we're still here.
WTH?
What's that mean?
We trade futures?
Do you mean WTF?
Futures.
Futures? What's futures?
Futures.
Futures?
Hey, Ms. K. Futures. It's what, when you mispronounce it.
We just get everybody typing WTF in the chat. I'm gonna go to other people's chat and type WTF. I'm like, I don't know what's wrong. I think we trade futures, man. What's wrong? Ain't nothing wrong. I'm trading futures. Then we came down. We kind of swept this liquidity. Is this it? We push? Or are we just going to go sideways for the rest of the day? Did the bulls give up? Are the bulls hibernating for the winter?
Hmm.
All right, I got to take a break. Grab a drink.
I'm going to watch here on the 1 minute chart just to
You see
try and time.
You see a good trade, you take it from me also.
Yeah. Try and time a long trade. But we're far away from that right now. Still at least minimum 5 minutes away. Let's take a look, see what we got on the this chart over here. We can break a little higher, get over the previous day's high, previous day's low. Then get a retrace. Take out a swing low, an internal swing low, and then look for again CISD, and or bearish fair value gap to close a bearish fair value gap and trade higher. We'll watch. Always throws me off his pause. 11:30. The big move. I was listening to the Complete Turtle Trader audiobook. Hey, is that my book that I have over here all the time? Yeah, I love that book. Yeah, it is. It is very good. I keep it beside me at all times. Okay, what do we got? We're dipping lower again, huh? Tough markets to trade. So what did I say we were looking for? We were looking for here on the 1 minute. We didn't get it.
Hello again.
Got a break of a swing high on the 3 minute. Got a break of the swing high here. Now we broke the swing lows. We don't want to take out the low. And we want to see if we can then take out a bearish fair value gap. That would be the closest one. So we got almost all the conditions. If this candle closes, which it will, it's going to form a bearish fair value gap. If we can close this. Oops, wrong one.
What is this Turtle Trader audiobook?
The Complete Turtle Trader. It's a story about Richard Dennis and how he trained the turtles to become traders with his system. Yeah. Long time ago. Long time ago. But it's a good story. It's a good read. It discusses his system also. I mean, it's just the price channels. It's nothing nothing super secret. But they use math to enter their trades, and kind of like me using the 50% retrace. They use math to give themselves an edge. Only take trades over there.
Is that the consequent encroachment?
Yeah. But his system really had a lot of losses, but then massive grand slams. He would have them calculating their positions and their risk. And if they had extra risk to take on, if the markets moved in their favor, they would add, and they would add, and they would add, and they would add. So when you hit one trade, you triple your account or you quadruple your account. That was one of the ways that he taught them to do it.
I forget what it was, but I remember a month or so ago when I was watching something, and it was talking about their top traders or something, some competition or something. I remember telling you about. I remember what it was, and like all the top traders' win rate was like 30-40%.
Yeah.
Like, wow. Everybody's so worried about that 90% win rate. Best traders in the world are doing it with 40%.
I'm not comfortable trading like that. It's
Me
not for
neither.
me.
Also, I don't think there's so much intraday traders.
Yeah.
They're looking to buy the low of the market and let it run up for 2, 3, 4 weeks. Could you imagine that? 2,000 point run up or something.
Oh, I thought you meant, could you imagine holding a trade that long?
The funny thing is, I have a system that does that. It's actually one of the first systems I ever had. But you can't trade prop firms. Can't hold overnight. I think I told you about it one time. I used to have a alert on my phone, and I'd get an alert and I'd take the trade, and then so back then you had to be out of a trade at 4 o'clock, not 5, and then so I'd have to get out of the trade at 4 and then come back at 6, and a lot of times it would I'd be missing out on the trade because you got to get out for the pause, market pause. Even trading my own personal account, I still had to get out for the market pause because anybody don't know, margin greatly goes up during things like that.
Guys, the trade that I was highlighting is invalidated. We broke the swing low that was formed at 11:15, approximately, depending on which platform you use.
Skeletor, be right back. Need to restart PC. Gotcha. Let me see if I can bring up my old system.
ERB's not around. It's not in your chat. ERB. Call in ERB. Anybody?
No.
Anybody see our ERB?
It was in your chat, but I don't think he's been in there in a while. 1 week, 1 hour. It's still in my strategy list. It's crazy. I passed my first accounts. Yes, NQ. It's not really the best right now. I haven't messed with the settings in probably over a year or so. So don't judge it too harsh. Everything needs to be calibrated.
Calibrated.
So these are the settings that probably I last had over a year ago. Mike, can you see it?
I don't know. I'm in a trade right now.
All right.
Let me get out. Okay, I'm out. Switch screens. Okay, yeah, there we go.
How do I? Let's see. Oh,
was that an equity curve that you were showing me?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's I'm trying to remember what the time frame was. I think it's 6 months. I don't know. I'm trying to find that. I haven't got me a little break. I haven't really worked on this in a while. But it's up 30,000, max drawdown 3,000, 104 trades, profitability 56%, profit factor of 2. Remember, it used to be up around 65, 70, so it's going through a downturn. And then the ES is at a 52. So it probably needs to be calibrated. I could probably get it back up to a 65 or 70. That's on the hourly chart. See you kind of see it. This one's off to the side. Squeeze it together or something. Let's just do the MNQ. So you see it there. Plots everything, tells you when to get in, when to get out, everything. As far as signals go, you can't beat that.
It looks very similar to what you use on your day trading.
Yeah, it is. what was this one here? Where's my 300 points? So going for about 300 point trades. That was awesome, man. The hard part is you have to get out the trade and then get back in. And it might be easier now that it's 5 o'clock. Because remember, like I said, it used to be 4 o'clock.
Mm.
So I was having to juggle 4 o'clock, and then the market still moved for an hour.
Yeah.
You couldn't even be in it.
Market moved for an hour. Like now, the 5 o'clock close is very similar to the 6 open. Maybe not on Sunday, but on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah, it's not exact, but it's not an hour off.
Yeah, but if you have to do the hour off with trading, and if earnings come out, that could screw you up.
I'm trying to think of what prop firm it is, but I was looking at one the other day, and they have a 4 o'clock close. You have to be out of a trade by 3:59 or 3:57 or something like that. I was like, no way. Haven't we gotten past that? Another thing I would do on top of this is I would add the pullback trade.
The Poobah trade.
One day I need to give this to DeepSeek. The DeepSeek. Make this better. Add pullback trade. I bet it would freaking kill it. That's crazy. All this time and it still got stats like that.
What's the average holding time?
3 days.
Not so bad. That's on NQ.
Yeah.
You could trade it, eh? There are some Forex firms that allow you to hold overnight, and you would trade on their platform, let's say MT4 or something. You would trade the NAS 100.
But you know what I used to do also is I would trade it with, the QQQ.
Okay.
And then you have TQQQ and SQQQ.
Ah, yeah.
You familiar with those?
Yeah.
So that's a perfect way to trade it. So I was doing that in one of my personal accounts. And then I switched from that to the, where is it? Over here. To the Renko. Remember I showed you the Renko one? You probably don't remember. With the TQQQ. Oh, it's fucked up right now because of the contract change. All right, I can't show you the Renko right now. But I was showing you before the Renko chart and how it makes these really nice channels. It's on the 2-day chart. And you were saying, yeah, but you have so if you get the signal and you don't get the second day, it's not really official. And I was like, yeah, but most of the time it works out anyways. I don't know. I think both are great strategies.
I think that's TradingView there, right? That I'm looking at?
Yeah.
I think what I had a little disagreement with you on the Renko was your time frame. I think you were using like 1 minute or something like that. And I was saying that the Renko bar doesn't close.
No, 2 day.
2 days?
Right.
Wow.
But yeah, the Renko bar doesn't close on the first day. Won't close till the second day. So it's not an official signal. If you get it on the first day, it's not an official signal until the second day. And that's when I was saying that's why you start averaging in on the first day. But I like both strategies. I think both strategies are freaking awesome. I don't know. Just got so much going on, it's hard to keep up with them. I mean, you can see this one here. I mean, it's just going. I mean, if you can handle $3,400 in drawdown, you know, to make $30,000. But then you can even look at it more realistic. Like, what if we changed order size to a 1? What does that give us? 15,000, 1,700 drawdown. I mean, come on, man.
Come on, man. Yeah, Renko bars, when you set them to high numbers like that, they look gorgeous.
This is the 1 hour strategy here. I think the 1 hour strategy and the 2-day Renko strategy, I think they're both great strategies. I think if I
Nice
calibrated
push
this
for me.
one
Do
a
nice
little bit,
push
it'd
for
probably
me.
do even better.
Come on, one little thing. No. Okay, that's cool. Very good, very good.
Very, very good. I like it. I like it a lot. I really like it a lot.
I like it a lot. This is the accent we're gonna use. Kind of Austrian. I don't know what. I don't know what. Ah! I feel like screaming.
Cool thing about TradingView is you can work on your strategies and they adjust in real time. You don't have to keep going here to go there, to go back over there, to turn this off, turn that back on.
Tell me about the pain again of trading.
You want me to play it?
I don't know. Is there music? Can I put up the volume, or there's music on it?
I haven't gotten a strike yet. I've played it how many times?
Okay, hold on. Oh wait, I have an idea.
I make no guarantees.
I'm gonna put you on another computer and turn off my mic until I.
Am I supposed to play it? You waiting on me? I don't know. I didn't get the instructions. Okay. Okay. Give me a second. Yes, please, Mr. Jones. Let's do it. This one. Crank that mother. I love the pain. The pain is the truth.
I was good for turning my mic off. There is music in the background. I was good for turning my mic off. There is music in the background.
I haven't got flagged for it yet. Oh.
And his hair's gonna fall out. His teeth are gonna fall out. His dick's gonna fall off.
I need the other video. There's another video where a guy says,
1132.
They asked the guy how to be a professional trader. And he says that if you want to be a professional trader, you have to learn to love the pain. It'd be cool to put those two together. He's like, there's no path to being a professional trader.
That's
without
it.
First accepting and loving the pain of trading.
Good morning, Woodchip. Yep. You got to be willing to cry in in your wife's lap.
Yep. Woodchip, good morning. And I seen another one, and the guy said trading's all about discomfort. Like, you wait around forever in discomfort trying to jump into a trade. Then you get into the trade and you go in the drawdown, you're in discomfort. And then that small percentage chance that you're winning, then you take another trade and you're right back in the discomfort.
That is true. I agree.
I think it goes back to, they all go back to the same thing. You gotta love the pain.
I find the price action odd. I'm finding it hard to get fills.
We ain't
I don't know
going
if-
nowhere.
I don't know if it's the platforms or what. Ain't going nowhere, but the range is like 70 points.
Is it? No way.
Yeah, 2570, almost down to 25,000. Up and down,
Oh,
up and
wow.
down. Look at each wave. The waves are like 120 points or something.
You're right.
These are big waves. Get out your surfboard, man.
You're right.
Come on in. The water's fine.
Come on, man. That's crazy. Wood chip, how's the trading going today?
Wow. Look at the spurt.
Also,
32.
wood chip, are we buying here or selling? How do I make the chart look like it's got a big range? Maybe that's my problem. Is like the chart's just like fooling me, pulling my leg.
Boom, boom. Short for 900.
How about a 32 Renko? Look at that 32 Renko. My goodness.
Yeah, that's a good one. That is a good one. I am telling you. But
Mike, you put that 32 Renko on right now, you'd be having wet dreams.
No, because your delay is no good. You couldn't be able to trade it.
What do you mean? Why?
What's your delay?
What delay? What are you talking about?
On which platform? Let's start with that.
Ninja.
Oh, okay. There's no delay on Ninja. Yeah, I don't have a 32 Renko. I don't see how I don't have a 32 Renko. I always have a 32 Renko up.
Short for 900.
I guess
Oh,
it
he's
got
getting
deleted.
brave.
I guess it got deleted.
Let me get a regression channel. Anybody? Regression channel? I don't even remember where they put it. Regression channel.
What are we doing? My God, look at the 5-minute chart. It's just down, 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 and down.
Mike, you like regression channel?
I do, but I wasn't able to find a way to trade him. When I tried to find a way to trade him, I didn't do well. So, because they would flip on me, and I'd say, "Oh shit."
Mm-hmm.
What I mean by that, the oh shit, was I couldn't control my loss to be like with Renko. I know it's always about 10 points. Here, sometimes, again, depending on the ATR, depending on the slope of the channel, and you don't know what it is in advance. So you don't know. I didn't know how to size myself, and I was just getting myself into trouble. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
That makes sense. Getting that buy signal, but it's counter trend. Hey, are we doing that game today?
There's a game? We're playing games? Oh my God, it's 11:53. No one told me. It's 11:53. I don't know. I don't think we have any registered players. We have Miss K, ERB, Omnius, and Starboy. We have 3 players and Omnius. Omnius, are you here? Are you in my stream? You have to be
I think he
present.
left.
You have to be present to win, Omnius. Oh, it's no winning today. ERB, are you here? Miss K, I am. Miss K, you will also be sub of the week.
Might have to do it how methodical man does his and just like call it real quick and run.
Yeah. You have 2 seconds to email me. I'm gone. Bye. Click. Hang up. Still here.
I imagine it wouldn't have felt like that had I have been like actually there without a million things going on.
I'm going to play something. You want to put it up on your stream, or I'll just play it on mine?
Yeah, I'll put it up.
I
Ain't
did
got no
some
music, does it?
Nope. I did some creativity last night.
Top Step will be right. Oh, they're back. Ah, hold on, give me a second. Let's listen. There ain't nobody there. You freaking cowards. Maybe they're waiting for people to come back.
Come back.
What time is it? Put us a timestamp. Might have to come check it out later. Watch it. It's got to be good for laughs. It's got to be. I just want to hear like the first 5 or 10 minutes when they come back. All right, I have to watch it later. I know. We're busy. Okay, who was I looking for? Future Snail? Futures Fly? Futures Fantastic?
Futures Fantastic.
Oh, Futures Floor. Okay.
No, I like Futures Fantastic. Felt like Shazam there.
Might have to change it to Futures Fantastic, huh?
Which you just reminded me, I'm going to send you a Discord. I've been wanting to tell you something.
Oh, it reminds me of what all the guys were joking about last night in the streams.
Okay.
I'm not going to mention no names, but they're like, I'm going to put my thumbnail and it's going to say 1 million winning trades in a row.
1 million. Really? Like, you'll still get people who will believe you.
Like, hey, if we could just pick any number, why not just go with 1 million, right? So being that different streamers were joking about that, no need to say who they was talking about, huh?
No need. Everybody knows.
It's kind of funny, though. Maybe I'll do that. 1 million winning trades. Like Mickey D's over 1 million served. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Nope. I'm comfortable with my losses. I don't have to try to hide them.
Minimize. Maximize.
All right, do I got to turn sound on?
Yeah.
I was getting sidetracked, sorry.
That would help.
That means I got to mute you then. Are you going to talk?
No, but there is talking. Hold on. No. I was going to say no fucking way.
You did say it.
Oh, I thought it. I thought my fucking OBS had a total fucking maniac hiccup, but it didn't. Okay.
Right, I got you. I'll turn the sound on. No talking.
Wait, he's not even here anymore, so I don't know. But anyways.
Big shout out to the subscriber of the week, Mr. Robbie 2-time ERB. AKA Mr. 50K, the guy who almost beat himself out of the account. He had but one job, and now he has one 50K master account.
Subscriber of the Week disclaimer. All characters, nicknames, and lore are for entertainment purposes only. Robbie did not actually fight himself, though he came dangerously close. This segment contains dramatization, exaggeration, and selective memory. Any resemblance to Robbie, his poor number-picking decisions, or his accidental self-elimination is purely intentional.
Okay, we're ready to play the game. Robbie is sub of the week. If you don't get the Mr. 2-time, he won 2 accounts on the same week. Robbie.
That was cool.
on Friday, and he had to play against himself. He had to play against himself. The drama was insane. I don't know if you guys...
One thing when you beat other people, it's another when you beat yourself, huh?
Yeah. Holy shit. He had to pick the tiles, and he tied it, and he had to play a second round. It was cool. Okay, let's get prop drop up. It looks like it's ready to go. Let's see if it catches it. We
Miss
catch
K, you
it.
got to play by yourself all the time?
Let's do warm up. Let's just check the balls. I forgot yesterday's settings. Perfect. And let's fix this one. No, we don't qualifier. Is that how you spell qualifier?
Yeah, just however it sounds.
It looks like that looks like a good spelling.
They wanted it to be spelled right. They should have spelled it how it sounded.
What the hell happened? They fixed it and it went away. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Do it again. There we go. And do this one again. Okay. Give me a second. Let me put in the names. Who do we got? Futures, Omnius, Diet Coke. Players. Nobody got 2 balls this morning. Skeletor, you're there. Starboy, you're there. ERB. And Miss K. ERB. Let's call him Mr. 2 times. Let's give him some luck. ERB is Mr. 2 times. He's going to show up. He's going to, who the fuck is Mr. 2 times? And who else did I say? Miss K.
Oh, you got Nefemi? Nefemi, good morning.
Miss K. Add player. Nefemi. Save and apply. It does say warm up, right?
I don't see it.
Really? On my screen? Yeah, it's there.
I wasn't looking.
Uh-huh.
I was looking at my trading chart. Remember, this is a trading channel.
Yeah. You liar! You said, I never get mad. I never want to get even. Look at that. You've been waiting for your opportunity like a little kid.
I wasn't waiting for an opportunity. It was just a joke. It was just there. I couldn't help but to say it. It was kind of comical.
It was good. It was perfectly timed.
Actually, the first time I thought about it was in the moment right there.
Yeah. That was excellent. You're getting, that's joke of the week. We might get an entry here. We might get an entry. Depends on how deep we dip over here. But if we don't dip deep, we're still.
Thought we were getting a push up, but then we didn't.
Yeah, but anyways, it's 12 o'clock. Fuck it. ICT says don't trade it after 12 o'clock. Giveaway. Yeah, let's get busy. Let's get busy with the giveaway.
If you're trying to get me not to do something, don't start with ICT says.
SP King, are you in the list? Dun, 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 dun. No, add player. SP King sneaks in the last second. SP King, save and apply. I don't know. You want to? You know what? No,
You getting a Femi?
I got an Femi. I was going to say let's hang around. A lot of people show up, but you know what? Let's give a qualifier for the people who are here already. You know.
You got wood chip.
Yeah, I'm putting him in.
He was busy chipping wood.
He was chipping. Save and apply. I think I put wood kip. Wood chip, save and apply. Let me launch speed. What did we do yesterday with the launch speed? 70. Ball size 20. Let's keep the game short-ish. 4. Looks good to me.
Wood chip says he was trading while taking a shower. I mean, let's be honest. You're not a real futures trader if you don't have like a tablet in the shower with you.
That's it.
You're up there checking the charts, you know, soap up a little bit, buy a little bit more, sell. I mean, y'all dedicated or not? Wood chip trades in his bed, under the blankets, in the shower, while on the toilet, at work, in the car. Remember that one day? He's like, Wood chip, what are you doing? He's like, I'm driving down the road through traffic, talking to y'all and trading.
Yeah, I used to do that a lot, actually. Oh.
You got to give it to him. He's dedicated. Mike, you ever wake up in the middle of the night and go pee?
Yeah.
I will bet anything that Wood chip wakes up in the middle of the night to go pee, checks his phone, and takes the trade real quick, and then goes right back to bed.
Miss K. Miss K, you asked the question that I'm going to answer.
How much wood? You're going to answer that?
Yep.
Imagine a world where wood chip possesses the ability to chip.
Is it
other
with a
chips.
video?
If wood
No,
chip could
it's
chip
just an
chips,
audio.
how many chips could wood chip? And how many chips would wood chip? Would chip chips if they weren't wood chips? The possibilities would be limited only by wood chip's own strength and desire to chip chips. Would wood chip endlessly? While we may never know for sure, it's fun to imagine wood chip chipping chips tirelessly away in a forest full of chips.
Don't blame me, wood chip, she asked. Traded on a bus and a plane in the airport playground while in therapy. It sounds like planes, trains, and automobiles.
No, it sounds like green eggs and ham.
Who was the actor in Trains, Planes, and Automobiles? John Candy. I got it first. I bet Woodchip thought it was Gene Hackman. Okay, we're going. Say fire or burst. Omnius.
Wood chip. Ain't that what an option?
It sounds like burst.
All right, burst.
Wow, that was crazy. No,
Oh,
fire would have been
that.
better. Fire would have been better. I set the gun. It would have opened up the top. That's okay. It's okay. We'll still open up the top. But I set the gun for a good fire, and we missed it. Okay, has anybody stopped out yet? SP King stopped out. I think I heard the sound. Miss
Now, this is a
K,
warm-up?
Mister. Who's Mister? Oh, Mister is ERB. I left the space. Just so you guys know. No, this is not a warm-up. This is a qualifier. Why wouldn't
Why
you
does it say
change it,
warm-up?
Mike? I don't, because you forget to change it. Because I'm in charge of everything and I keep forgetting. ERB, wood chip. In the right area. Thinking the right things. Trying to get in. Diet Coke looking to cause trouble because there's too many people. Skeletor's got it again. Skeletor just... Carl Reiner. Skeletor just floats in and falls into the pit. Wow, he just knows how to play the game, man. Skeletor, you're fired. You're off. There's a limit. Qualifiers.
All that heavy metal he listens to.
Actually, he doesn't have that many. He only has one this week so far. I thought he had more. Wow, Miss K911's got 2. Starboy 2. Skeletor now 2.
Guys, can we get GG in chat for Skeletor? GG's.
I can't believe it's December 17th already.
No, what
Holy
happened?
Shit. I think the calendar is wrong. I think the calendar just goes from the 1st to the 17th in one shot. There's nothing in between.
My kids keep taunting me every day. They're like, Dad, you know we're going to be home for 2 weeks.
Mhm.
What the fuck? I have to lock them outside or tie them to a tree. Everybody got good theories on where to hide kids for 2 weeks?
How many chips can wood chip if wood chip chips? Would chip chips if the chips were chipped?
Gonna be toys everywhere. I'll be tripping over them. My poor house.
Wow, you see some of the commercials on YouTube for some of the stupid toys and how stupid the commercials on?
Buy them some evals and
Yeah.
put them to
Put
work.
'em to work, yeah.
Miss
Yeah, I got to play it again. He's here.
Miss K, I've been trying to talk to my son to do it. Miss K, I started all this because of that little guy. This is his fault. Ask Mike. He knows. This is his fault. And I try to get him to sit down and trade with me, and he won't do it.
Okay, ERB's here. I got to play him the thing again. Shh. You ready?
Hold on. Yeah, I got to go.
A big shout out to the subscriber of the week, Mr. Robbie
screwed it up.
two-time ERB.
Screwed it up. Let's start over. Sorry, Robbie. The game was over.
A big shout out to the subscriber of the week, Mr. Robbie two-time ERB, aka Mr. 50K. The guy who almost beat himself out of the account. He had but one job, and now he has one 50K master account.
Okay, we'll just play the first part. Okay. What do we got for players? Let's clear
Oh, man,
it
I was
up.
trying to wave in the background, see if anybody could see me, and then you took it away. I can't never have fun. I like how you got it with that, the transparent a little bit.
Yeah, I like that too.
Oh, ERB said Skeletor's got some really nice balls.
Give it up for ERB. Subscriber of the week. I brought it back. We had subscriber of the week in the past. We put it to sleep, but we'll bring it back.
ERB, good job. Also, sweet job on those evals, man. Killing it. Guys, ERB's killing it over there.
Maybe subscriber of the week should get 2 balls in every qualifier for the whole week. We'll start that next week. He's got his hands full. ERB. Okay, so we start the next one. Is he in there, ERB? Yeah, he's Mr. 2 times.
I think I'm going to force my kid to do this stream at least one day.
Mm-hmm.
He can't sit down long enough. Maybe I'll have to put his tablet over here where nobody can see it, and he'll be on his tablet, and he'll just look like he's doing the stream.
Yeah, good job, man. Good job, good job. 50K master account, 100K master account.
Sweet. ERB, maybe one day you'll talk us over some of your strategy and stuff, how you working some of your trades. We always like to hear that stuff.
Yeah, why not on Friday? If he wants to come in, no camera, just voice.
If he wants to.
I know a lot of people. Yeah, of course, if he wants to. Can't force him. I'm not flying down to Georgia.
Guys, we used to do that all the time. We would have people come in the stream, come in the Discord, come on the chat, talk over how they like to trade, some of the psychology, things they like to do.
We had to stop it because a few of them forgot their cameras on and they started to do dirty things, but I'm joking.
I don't know. Like, what was that last week? It was kind of getting kind of weird.
Yeah, it was. That was funny. Fire.
That always
Yeah.
makes for an interesting stream. Don't want to be like all those other boring streams.
Mhm. What are we gonna do? Let's try and mix it up for the next game. Let's get a shit ton of pegs.
Anyways, generally, guys, for people that have been around a little bit, like to invite them. Come in the Discord.
Yeah, we just you just say, I do this, I do that. I looked for this, I looked for that. I entered on this side, on this side.
Yeah, but I mean,
just...
I don't know about somebody that just showed up today, inviting them to Discord, but I mean, people that have been around a little bit and we like to talk to, like to have them if they want to. If they don't, it's not a big deal.
Yep. Yep. That's a lot of pegs.
I haven't seen many other streams that invite people onto the stream to be part of the stream with them. Kind of like when the rock stars invite you up on stage.
Isn't that everybody's dream?
I took my kid to a bike week one time. This band was playing, and he was probably about 5 or 6, and he was over by the stage taking a picture, and the guy just like comes up and like grabs him and pulls him up on stage. And he's up there on stage rocking out. The guy's playing like, I got a video somewhere. The guy's like playing the national anthem on the lead. He was up there for a bit. He was having a blast.
I always wonder if it's fake. I saw a YouTube video. I think they brought up a drummer or a guitarist. I don't remember. It was a kid. And like he was phenomenal, I'm saying, really? You know how many people are air guitaring and air drumming, and you just happen to bring up one that is phenomenal? It has to be organized and advanced.
What are you talking about?
Oh,
when they just picked the guy? Well, they probably knew who the kid was.
Yeah, it got to be, because like I said, sometimes they bring, I've seen also one band brought up a guitarist, a kid. Hey, why don't you come up? You play guitar? Yeah, really? You don't know he plays guitar? Like I said, everybody is playing air guitar. My wife said, closet with locks on the outside to solve your 2-week child problem. And Benadryl, yep, closet with locks on the outside. I get it now.
Where you see that? Oh, the
on
ERB.
the outside.
Wife said closet with locks on the outside to solve your 2-week child problem. Benadryl. Hey, there it is. Video I was looking for. First one that pops up. Hey, y'all want to see a video real quick? I don't know if I'll get in trouble for it. Remember I told you this guy does guitar giveaways and stuff for Christmas. They put on that whole Christmas thing.
Okay.
And he gave my daughter an acoustic guitar last Sunday. And this is the guy here playing the national anthem at the Jaguar game. You think I'd get in trouble for a national anthem?
Absolutely.
But it's a guy playing it.
100, yeah, 100%.
I'm gonna try it. Turn your mic off.
No, it's off, I think. Wow.
Hey, that guitar he's playing was a custom guitar that a guy was making and giving away. I think they gave that guitar away to kids too.
Whoa. That was a bit of a spurt.
Anyways, that's the guy that puts on the guitars for kids. Gives away a bunch of guitars. That's pretty cool. All right, what are we doing? You got warm up again.
Yeah. We're waiting, hanging her out. I think. I don't know.
Yeah, whatever.
Giveaway. Oh, you're in already with Chip. It's 12 o'clock. Oh my God.
12:20.
Forgot. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Let's get the next one going.
Yeah, it might have been a rush.
There we go. It's changed. Okay. I'm doing fire.
Fire.
There we go. We got a whole bunch of people on the right side right away.
Yeah.
Miss K, Wood Chip, and SP King. Yeah, I set the gun to like, I put some super sauce on it. So it clears out the top right away. And the people in the back have the advantage because the first people there, SP King. There you go. Very quick. Very quick.
Sweet. Qualifier, guys. Put GG in the chat for SP King. Good job.
SP King's first qualifier for the week. This week is a Bullinox account. Just in case we haven't said it.
Ooh, can I join for this one?
Sure.
Come on, I've only got like 3 waiting to be masters.
If nobody complains.
I was just joking.
Nobody thinks it's rigged if you win.
I was just joking. I got to get some more money to pay for all these masters.
Mm. Yeah. That's a good problem to have.
I guess.
And since we're talking about Bullinox, guys, it's 91% off, and it's 91% off recurring. That means month after month after month after month after month, it's 91 or 90% off. I just got myself 2 50Ks today, this morning.
Quick question.
To add Omnius.
All right, you said that you said you were giving away a Bullinox, and then
Yep.
you said the deal for the Bullinox is the giveaway account reoccurring.
No, it's not.
I don't want there to be
it's
any
not.
confusion about it.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's not recurring free. It recurs at full price. So you should definitely pass. I have a file here to notify the winners, actually. I hope I remember. But I have a file with the Bullinox winners to notify them in advance. Not to get stuck. Well, ERB passed his, so we can clear that one out. But
that's just the way they do it, and I just want to clarify.
Yep.
If you're buying an account, you get reoccurring 91% off with Bullinox.
Actually,
if you win the account, you don't. That's just the way they do it. Nothing we can do about
that. Yep. Work it for the month. Skeletor, you still there, Skeletor? I hope so.
Said he had to something with his computer.
He didn't come back because it's his 1 month notice, December 20th. Remind Skeletor and ERB about the rebill issue. Look how responsible I am, eh?
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. I just wanted to clarify that. So nobody
no, it's good. It's good.
Wrong impression.
Definitely. No, that has to be brought up.
All right, if you want to go over the sale again, that'd be great.
Yeah, no, you do that. I'm going to DM Skeletor in Discord because he's got 2 days left and I'll forget.
All right, guys, Bullinox, 91% off. Got a little bit more time to get in on that deal. I think it's to the end of the month. The great thing with Bullinox when you buy accounts through them is they do reoccurring payments also. So when you buy one at 91% off, it's like $15. Next month, if you renew it, it's still $15. Where some of the other companies charge you more. If you buy the account through them, then they will keep reoccurring at 91% off. Also, with Bullinox, you don't have to blow the account for them to reset it. If at the end of the month, if at the end of that month you're in drawdown, they will automatically reset it. So, some of the things that we like about Bullinox. I know there's an Apex sale, but I don't know if it's still going on. get with Mike. in a minute.
80% off, $65. $65 activation.
Is that the Apex?
Yeah.
So they changed sales.
Very close, very similar.
Well, it was 90, right? So now you're saying it's 85 or 86?
80, I think. 80.
80? Okay.
Yeah. So it was 90. It's now 80, and the activation fee stayed at 65.
Got you.
Yeah. Still in the same range. $80, $90, $100. Still in the same range for the full kit and caboodle.
And I'll look at it because I know we didn't yesterday, but I believe day traders is still the same. Try to make sure everybody's getting the best deals for whatever type of account they want.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
we
day
gotta
traders
set
is still the same. Guys, day trader is a one-time fee. So I told Mike earlier I was mad at them. They lied to us. They said it's a one-time fee. It's not. Guys, if you have their evaluation for 10 years, it's going to cost you a penny and you'll get another 10 years, okay? Just want to clarify that. So for $37, you can have their evaluation. You could take as long as you want to pass it. You don't pay no more money for it.
I was just going to complain, why are people texting me, but it's an ad for a large pizza with 4 toppings and 3 cans of Coke. So
That sounds good.
You can never complain about an ad for pizza. I think it's going to be pizza for lunch for me today.
Must be nice.
Okay.
I ain't got no pizza.
You prefer the chains or you prefer the ma and pop pizza shops in your area?
I mean, we would all prefer the mom and pops, right? But God, they're so expensive. Some of
Yeah,
them,
they are.
$30, $40 for a pizza.
My wife always gets, I guess, disappointed, upset. You know, we're ordering a special medium, two topping medium for $9. So, you know, whatever. If you, I don't know if you guys have all dressed over here in Canada. We have something called all dressed. It's green peppers. Yeah, it's green peppers, mushrooms, and pepperoni. I don't know.
This is chain pizza or mom and pop?
All of them. Like a hamburger is meat between 2 buns, all dressed in Quebec. Anywhere you go, any restaurant.
You were saying that you got a pizza for like $9.
Oh, yeah. No, that's a chain. That's the chain.
I was about
But
to
even
say.
at the chain, my wife says, get me an all dressed. I go,
Okay.
well, one pizza with 2 toppings is $9. All dressed, if you just order it, is like $30 after tax.
Oh, God.
I said, does that make sense to you? Because why don't you just get the green peppers and the mushrooms and, you know, put on your own pepperoni or something, or you miss one topping. Do you really think I'm going to pay $22 for one topping? That's like 3 extra pizzas with 2 toppings, you know? So she always go, oh, come on, but I never get all dressed. So then every now and then we do order her all dressed. And what does she do? Guess how many slices she eats on her
One.
$30 pizza? Yeah, 1 or 2. And then it sits in the fridge and no one eats it.
My wife's the same way. There's some of these women.
That was a $30 slice of pizza.
My wife doesn't want pepperoni because it gives her heartburn.
Mm.
So then she orders us pepperoni and she orders something else. And then she eats like 1 slice of the other pizza and nobody else will eat it. And then we got to figure out what to do with this whole pizza minus 1 slice.
Well, in the end, I eat it. I take a knife, I clean off all the crap, and I eat the soggy dough. I like it.
Oh, we went to one a few months ago, and it was a mom and pop one. I swear the pizza was like $25, $26 or something. Man, it was so good.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know, when you have kids, it's hard to fork over $30 pizzas here and there.
We had a restaurant. This is about 7 years ago. They opened up nearby us, mainly takeout, almost no tables. They opened up with like a four de bois, an oven, a wood oven.
Go ahead.
The pizza was, I swear to God, back then like $40, $50. I said, oh my God, what are you guys doing? Like, you know you're going bankrupt. No one's buying 10 years ago 2 pizzas for $100. Like, seriously, what are you guys thinking? Doesn't matter how much you like wood oven pizza.
You want that mom and pop pizza? That's what you gotta pay. You see Miss K's comment?
No, GG's. That's all I got.
What? What about the other one?
No, not showing.
Oh. Says
top
wives
chat.
deserve whatever they want for putting up with you men. I
Really?
agree with you, Miss K.
That doesn't show?
I agree with you.
Wow. How does that get censored?
Miss K, that's why my wife gets a separate pizza every time. He's like one slice.
Yeah. Sometimes we make it half-half, but it's not the same. The juice from the mushrooms and the green peppers, it bleeds over. It drips off onto the other side.
Uh-huh.
And it still tastes green peppers on a pizza. Seriously? Okay, let's take a poll. We should take a poll. Who likes chicken pizza?
What? Get out of here. Nobody likes
Yeah.
chicken pizza.
I know, they got chicken pizza here, and it's starting to become popular. Serious? Chicken doesn't belong on a pizza.
I think my wife likes that one too. And
Okay, let's do the last game.
What was it she got last time? Mexican pizza or something.
Wow.
I mean, Mexican pizzas are pretty good though.
You want to hear crazy? Barbecue chicken pizza. Yeah. I wanted a Mexican pizza. The place didn't have anything similar. I swear to God, I brought my own beef and sauce, and I told them to put it on the pizza. They looked at me like I was an idiot. I said, "What?"
I went to a Mexican place and ordered a pizza, and they wouldn't give it to me because I wasn't under 12. So I argued with them for 20 minutes.
Pizza was on the kids' menu.
Yeah, like you got to be under 12 for the kids' menu. I'm like, look, I just want a pizza. I came here with friends. They want to eat Mexican food. I don't. He's like, rice and beans. Like, I don't want fucking rice and beans. I want pizza.
You
What
guys
can
think
you
you
do?
can make it through all those pegs?
Am I the only one that would go to a restaurant and argue with them about what they serve? What do you have going on?
Yeah, I want to see. Hey, we tried the other one. It was good. Hold on. Let's change the warm-up. Let's see even if the balls can make it through. I think they will. Look, Skeletor's through already. Skeletor again.
Look, not only do I have the 2 kids for 2 weeks, I think I'm going to have the wife for 2 weeks also. Might have to put her on the stream.
It works. It works. The balls are making it through. Okay. Okay. The only problem is someone's going to make it through. It's kind of unfair.
What happened?
Oh, that was a warm-up game.
Oh.
I was testing it. Okay, we switch to we switch.
Our boy says put the wives on the stream. There you go, Mike.
Yeah, she came on the stream one time, you remember, for a bit?
Mm-hmm.
I told her I'm going to show her how to trade. Maybe she should. Yeah, maybe next week I'll bring her down and I'll let her do some trading. She'll go, that's what you do?
Right.
I go to work every day, and this is what you do. You click the fucking mouse button when your candle changes colors.
Wait till they see the numbers on the screen.
Oh, no, you don't tell her. That's going to keep her calm.
Nah, let her see it.
After. First, the numbers are hidden.
What, I'm down $1,000? Yeah, you're down $1,000. You better do something.
Yeah, no, we're going to do that. I'm going to set her up with 10 lots, 10 micros. She's not going to see the numbers at all, and then I'm going to show her the numbers. I'm not going to tell her it's an eval. I'm going to tell her it's cash from her bank.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
But look,
shit.
You just lost us $1,000.
You
What are you
just
gonna do
lost
now?
us. Yeah. She's going to cry. I swear to God, she'd cry. I hope she's not listening. Yeah, we got to do this definitely. 100%. We're doing this. Hopefully she's not sick next week. She can come down. We'll figure out. Maybe we'll do it on a Friday. Okay, we get the last one going, and then I can head out. It's 12:30 already. I get antsy after 12. Okay, I'm ready to go. Burst, it's going to be a long game. Fire, someone's going to make it through the wall quickly and probably win. What do you say? I don't know. I don't feel like making a decision right now. Anybody got an opinion?
Burst or fire?
Burst or fire? Fire.
Man,
oh, you know what?
You set up this chart. You got to figure it out.
Yeah, let me lower the gun a little bit. Not a gun. The launcher. Let's call it a launcher. Let me lower it to 40. Okay, fire. You ready? I don't have your stream. Let's see. You are ready. Okay. There we go. Fire. Oh, it's still strong at 40. Okay, well, we got a few people. We got Miss K. We got SP King, who made it through. The other guy should make it through, well, not quickly, but we got another one. Diet Coke. Diet Coke. Miss K, you're all alone. You're all alone in the clear. SP King knocks you far out of it. That was a body slam.
SP King's getting serious, isn't he?
Yeah, you were doing good there, and he said, no fucking way, man.
Didn't he win the last one?
Shut the front door, he said. Okay, everybody's made it over. Nobody's got an advantage, and it looks like Mr. Two Times. No, Wood Chips got it. Wood Chips got it. Starboy knocks him out of the way. Holy shit, Starboy. What kind of move was that?
You've been practicing that move, huh?
Now that is how you play the game. Seriously. That's a highlight clip.
Yeah, Wood Chip. That'd be my luck. Put the wife on there. And she takes one trade, makes like $800, and she's like, "This is so easy. This is all you do."
I grab pretty much up. Starboy, let's put him up. Starboy. You want to do one more, just quick, or did I close the game like an idiot?
Yeah, that'd be my luck. Wife be like, "This is so easy."
Woo! That was fun.
Have that beginner's luck.
Burst. Yeah, no, I think we're done. I think we're closing down. Carnival is closing.
That's all the GGs we got. Guys, type GGs in the chat.
Yeah, that was a move and a half. Starboy's been practicing.
Guy came out of nowhere and fought for his win.
First he knocked Miss K. He gave her a body slam, centered almost to the other side of the board. And then Wood Chip was so gently floating in. Unbothered. The board was clear. He flies across, gives him a bump, hits a peg, and bounces in. That's a move. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you had fun. I had fun. I hope you had a better day than me. I lost in my PA accounts. That's always a sad day. Both of them in Apex, PDLL'd for $300. Okay, no big deal. Not the end of the world. Only $300. And we'll see you again tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier on your way out. Hit the like button if you can. And that's it. That's it. Omnius?
My day was pretty good. Green across the board. Even the Apex account. Bullinox. Evals. Masters. I think only losing try to was like 4 or 5 points. So pretty good across the board for me today. Appreciate you guys. See everybody tomorrow morning. And thank y'all for hanging out.
Yep. Good job. Take care.
Later, guys. Bye.